Okay guys, yesterday after posting my video on volatility 75, so many people made a lot of profit and I was happy with the trading result that was shared with me. Okay, and of course guys, today we will be checking out more things within this trading platform. Okay, we will be checking out how we can easily make up to $200 trading different assets today. So we will be doing some analysis together, and of course I'll try as much as possible to post it on all my platforms in case you're not online as I am doing this. Okay, so guys, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and of course if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So I will be using the trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis today, and of course guys, I will do more analysis in the Telegram channel. So if you're not there, kindly check the description box below this video to do that. To join. Okay, you're going to see the link to the Telegram channel there. Okay, so guys, this had been on uptrend. It's actually started the uptrend from here, but it didn't go too far before having this pullback. Okay, but later on it went back up to break out above that resistance zone, and of course it has got into a new resistance zone. Okay, so it is at this point at the moment. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is very important for us to understand. Okay, and of course guys, let's wait for it to see if it will break out above it. If it breaks out above it, we will have to check out the higher time frame for the next resistance zone, but if it does not, then it will start selling, and we expect it to sell until it gets to this region. Okay, so that should be your first TP. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from there, then we expect it to get to this particular region. Okay, so this should be your second TP. Okay, and of course guys, if it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this particular level. Okay, so this is another level of TP. Okay, so if you understand all these levels of TPs, then definitely you will make some good amount of money using this trading tool. Now let's check out Boom 500. Boom 500 started an uptrend from here, and it has been buying since then, but it has got into this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it started the downtrend. You can see the downtrend signal, and of course you can see the sell signal. So this is selling at the moment, but it decided to pull back at this support zone, and of course it will keep on selling again and try to break out from there, and of course we expect it to get to this level once it breaks out from this particular point. Okay, and of course guys, if it breaks out from here, then definitely it should get to this particular point. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then we should be expecting it somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. So this is amazing. These are different levels of TPs that we should look out for whenever we are trading. Okay, now let's check out Crash 1000. I'm trying to make all your trading activities very simple by giving us all these highlighted areas. This started an uptrend from here. You can see the yellow flag and the arrows, and of course this actually got to this region. Okay, so it was unable to go above the resistance zone, so it started selling, and it is still selling, and we expect it to get to this particular spot. If it breaks out from there, then definitely it should get here. Okay, so this is very important, so keep on trading and enjoying your trading activities. The last asset we will be checking out is going to be Crash 500. Crash 500 started a downtrend from here, and it got to this support zone. It was unable to go below the support zone, so it bought for a while but was unable to go above this resistance zone, and of course this has actually pushed it back downward to the support zone again. If it breaks out below the support zone, then it will keep on selling, but if it does not, then it will go back on a buy, and of course we expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out from here, then we expect it to get to this point again, and if it breaks out from here, so guys, we expect it to get to this particular points. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so these are different levels of TP. Okay, so you guys should take note of them and milk the market successfully. If you are not having the trading tool, you can contact me or reach out to me to see how you can grab one for yourself, or probably you want the smart indicator. You can also reach out to me and see how you can grab one for yourself. I will be stopping right there. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.